2011 Honda CRZ EX. Hey folks, here's some shit I started messing with today on Dubstep Studio. Tell me what you think. Let me see. A little bit of that rhythm. Yeah, I messed with a little bit here. Nice. Turks the track, Jeff. Out here doing his thing. Nice turnout for some show cars and such. I don't know. SQ. 2 BD15s. Another one goes over here. Have a lot of nice ARC audio amps here, including the KS 900.6. Have no idea why it's blinking right now. Let me show you the rest of this beauty. The owner of DAD, James, did this whole dash. All the fiberglass work in here. It's an Audison Bit 1 down in there somewhere. Touchscreen, fully custom everything. Relocated the gauges here, as you can see, speedometer and such. This thing's a beauty. Just thought you folks would like to see this. I know I do. Can't wait to hear it personally. That's it though, right there.
That's nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Is this what you're used to?
Mm-hmm.
Times it rains and pours on me. Thunderstorm, homie. Well, let it storm on me. Feel like a hurricane and when it formed on me. I swear the teardrops of God feel so warm on me. Will drown me in no more sorrows. Hopeless tomorrows. Should have died so long ago. I swear my time is borrowed. But give me no shelter, no cheap umbrellas. You learn to cherish rain if you came to the desert. A little comfort in the heat of the devil. Raindrops.
Yeah, I'm ready. Huh? Alright, we're up here at Mitch's Car Audio. See, we got a locksmith van here. We got a good buddy Bill here. What's going on, Bill?
What's up? Crazy Hair. I came down to Tyler, Texas to check out Mitch's Car Audio and Twisted Child 420. And you can check out my channel over at the Red 2, the number 2, CHFD. That's Cocker Hill Fire Department.
Okay.
And I've got some things happening over there. You know, it's a crazy channel, does audio and a few funny vids. Just swing over and check me out.
All right. Good deal. There goes the popos. Already. We ain't even turned the shit on yet.
There's some mysterious going on over here.
Yeah. Get on, popos. I hope you don't come over and fuck with us. If so, I'll leave the camera running.